In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and set up a domain with Siteground. Whether you're starting a new website or need a domain for business purposes, setting it up is straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need. First, we'll head over to Siteground's website. Simply open your browser and type in the URL or click on the link provided. SiteGround is known for its reliable web hosting services and an intuitive dashboard that makes managing your domains a breeze. Once you are on the SiteGround homepage, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's a simple process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your SiteGround account dashboard. Now that we're in, the next step is to navigate to the My Account section. This is the hub where you can manage all your services with SiteGround. Click on the Services tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find all the services you've subscribed to, such as hosting and domain management. Under Services, you'll see a section labeled Hosting. Click on that and it will display all the hosting plans you currently have with SiteGround. If you don't have a hosting plan yet, you'll need to select one to continue. SiteGround offers several plans to suit different needs. Go through them and choose the one that best fits your requirements. With your plan selected, let's return to the Services dashboard. Now we're going to add your new domain. Look for the Domains tab that you'll find along the same panel on the left side and click it. This section is dedicated to everything related to domains. In the Domains section, you'll see an option that says Add New Domain. Click on that and you'll be guided through the process of purchasing a new domain. It's here where you can search for your desired domain name and check its availability. SiteGround will guide you through the checkout process, ensuring you have all the options you need like privacy protection to keep your domain registration information private. Once you've completed the purchase, your domain will appear in your domains list, ready for you to set up with hosting or any other web applications you have in mind. And that's it, you've successfully purchased and set up a domain with Siteground. You can now focus on building your website and getting it up and running. Thank you for joining me in this guide, I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to leave comments or questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy domain hunting.